Welcome to English Together. Learn real English with Lina and Sam.
Hey Lina, how are you today?
Hi, Sam. I'm doing great. I'm a little hungry, actually.
Hungry? Me too. I didn't eat breakfast this morning.
Oh, wow, really? No breakfast?
Yes, I woke up late and I had to leave quickly, so now my stomach is empty.
Then today is the perfect day for our topic.
Yes, going to a restaurant.
Exactly. Today, we talk about how to order food in a restaurant in English.
I love this topic. Restaurants are everywhere and many people feel nervous when they have to speak English in a restaurant.
Yes, that's true. But after this conversation, our listeners will feel more confident.
More confident, less afraid. I like that.
And today, we speak slowly, clearly, and simply, just like we are real friends eating together.
Because we are real friends.
Yes, we are.
Okay, Lina, imagine this. You and I walk into a nice restaurant. The lights are warm. It smells like fresh food. I can smell pasta, bread, maybe soup.
That sounds nice. I'm even more hungry now.
Same here.
At the restaurant door, a worker smiles and says, "Hello, welcome."
And then they usually ask a question.
Yes, they ask, "How many people?"
That means how many people will eat.
Right. So I say, "2 people, please."
Or table for two, please.
Yes, that sounds polite and natural.
Then the worker says, this way, please, and takes us to a table.
We sit down, the chairs are comfortable, the table has water, napkins, and menus.
The menu is like a big list of food.
Yes, and sometimes the menu has many words. Some people feel shy because they don't know all of them.
And that is okay. You don't need to know every word.
Right, you can ask simple questions.
A waiter comes to the table and smiles. He says, hello, my name's Alex. I'll be your waiter today.
He wants to be friendly.
Then he asks, can I get you something to drink?
Usually drinks come first.
Yes. So I say, yes, I would like water, please.
And I say, "I'd like orange juice, please."
Notice we say, I would like.
Yes, it is polite and simple.
Other examples, I'd like a soda, please. Can I have tea, please? Just water for me, thanks.
Good examples. The waiter writes everything.
Looking at the menu.
Now we look at the food section.
Starters, main dishes, desserts.
Sometimes the words are new.
Yes, so I ask, excuse me, what is this dish? Or, can you explain this, please?
The waiter explains in simple English.
And if we still don't understand,
We can smile and say, "Okay, thank you," and choose something easy.
that's right, no stress.
When we are ready, the waiter asks, "Are you ready to order?"
And we say, yes, we are ready.
So I say, "I'd like the chicken pasta, please."
And I say, I'll have the vegetable soup.
Or, "Can I have the grilled fish, please?"
The phrases are simple but powerful.
Yes, you don't need long sentences.
The waiter then asks, would you like anything else?
And I reply, "No, that's all, thank you."
The waiter smiles and says, great, your food will be ready soon.
While we wait, we talk.
Yes, maybe about life, about food, about our day.
I say, "Sam, I love spending time at restaurants. It feels peaceful."
And I say, me too. I like the smells, the music, the happy people.
And then our food arrives.
The waiter says, here you go. Enjoy your meal.
We smile and say, "Thank you."
I take the first bite.
And,
Wow, this soup is delicious.
"Really? That makes me happy."
What about your food?
I eat slowly. Then I smile. This pasta is amazing. So soft, so tasty.
Food brings emotion.
Yes, we can show feelings with simple words. It's good. It's very tasty. I like it a lot.
Or if the food is not good.
We stay polite. It's a little salty. I think it's too spicy for me.
Being calm and kind is important.
Maybe we need something. More water, extra napkins, another spoon.
We can say, "Excuse me, can I have more water, please? Can I get an extra napkin, please? Can I have another spoon, please?"
Simple English, very natural.
After we finish our food, the waiter asks, "Would you like dessert?"
I smile. I always want dessert.
Me too.
I say, yes, I'd like chocolate cake.
And I say, "I'd like ice cream, please."
Life is better with dessert.
Yes, sweet food, sweet feelings.
After we finish everything, we say, excuse me, can we have the bill, please? Can I get the check, please?
The waiter brings the bill.
We look at the price, we pay,
Then we say, "Thank you very much. Have a great day."
and we leave with happy hearts.
Selena, I love this conversation. It feels real.
Yes, it feels like real life, not a textbook.
And the English is simple but powerful.
Our message for learners is, don't be afraid to speak. Use small sentences. Be polite, be confident. You can do it.
Yes, every restaurant conversation is practice.
And every small step makes your English stronger.
I'm proud of everyone learning with us.
Me too. You're doing great. Keep going.
And Selena,
Yes?
after this conversation,
Yes?
I'm still hungry.
Me too. Let's go eat for real.
Yes, real food, real life.
And real English.
Yes. Like this video and share it with a friend.
Keep practicing. See you next time.